Today, I'm going to do a 2020 movie review of what I just watched on Amazon Prime today for my first time. Think Like a Dog, and this movie is a comedy, drama, family, and yes, it's also a science fiction film. And Think Like a Dog stars Megan Fox, and my opinion review and thoughts of what I think about this film, Think Like a Dog, that I think Megan Fox and also the rest of the cast, I thought they did a fine job of their acting performances. And I think the storytelling was just decent, and also, in my honest opinion, that, you know what, it could also be a fun family film to watch too. And yes, it could also be kid friendly. And also, in my honest opinion and thoughts of what else I had about this movie, that I think Henry the dog and also the rest of the dogs, I thought they were really cute and adorable. And I also like the dog characters in the movie. Again, that's just in my honest opinion. And I do want to let everyone know of a friendly reminder that yes, it's also available to stream and watch on Amazon Prime. And as for the character development, I thought it was not terrible at all. And as for me, I think I'll probably just give it thumbs up. And even though it's silly and goofy, I thought it was enjoyable too. And again, I thought it was not that bad. That's just in my opinion. And make sure to comment below of what did you think of this Megan Fox film, Think Like a Dog, and why? And again, just be honest of what you thought about this film. And that's all for my show today. And make sure to click like on the bottom below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for more notifications. And also, another thing of a friendly reminder again, that if you don't care what the other critics are saying about this film, I would say, again, just give it a chance and watch it sometimes. And that's all for my show today, and see you next time.